guys, what's up? It's James Jack here, bringing you guys another episode of James Jack Gaming and my first episode of Teardown. Yay! So Teardown is a sandbox game where you can destroy stuff, and it's very physicsy and realistic. I don't know what I'm saying, but anyways, tree. Okay, and here's my dog. It's this mod is a dog companion, and I'm playing on the map called EVG Pondside House or something. And this is the diner gate, I think. It's a little robot thing, and and Teardown is one of my favorite games, and I kind of discovered it from a YouTuber. I'll flash his name at the bottom. His name is Fudgy, and he is hilarious. And it's also where I got the name for this guy. I'm gonna call him Beans, just as he calls him, because it's funny. Alright, sit Beans down there. And I'm gonna call my dog Felix! Yay! So come on, Felix, let's go. Whee! And let's destroy this house! Ah! Alright. Come on. Whee! Okay. Anyone home? Hello? Ooh, nice house. Ooh. Oh, this is amazing. Got a little fridge. Ooh, it opens. Wow. Oh, that's so cool. Does the sink have water? The sink has water. That's cool. Is the dishwasher open? No. The oven doesn't open either. Are you kidding me? This is the worst house ever! Ah! You know what? I think it's time we do something to this house. Ah! Oh, and please excuse my frame rate because my computer isn't the best. Ah, the lights are flickering. Oh, I should probably get out of here. Felix, where are you? Oh, there you are, Felix. Awesome. And there's Beans. Silly Beans. What's going on in here? Hello? Uh-oh. Ah! Uh-oh. Oh, Felix, we should get out of here, buddy. Here, fetch. Uh-oh. Get out of here, silly dog. Yeah. Here, you know what, Felix? Go fetch. Can you fetch? Darn it. What's going on, Felix? Ah! Okay, there you go. Whoa! Who's that? Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well. Oh, I think that was a propane tank. You know, Felix, since this is just a little tiny bit dangerous, I'm gonna pick you up with the physics gun, and which is also a mod, and I am going to sit you right down here. Felix, stay. There we go. Alright, so Beans is just kind of stupid. So we're gonna let Beans follow me. So hi, Beans! Oh, aren't you cute? Alright. Beans, what do you think of this? Let's have an interview. Beans, how do you like this? Okay, Beans says nothing. Ooh, let's check out the shed. Oh, everything is fine. Just a burning house in the background. Oh, the shed. Woo. Oh. Toilet. What is this? I can't get over this. What is this thing right here? Is it some kind of crate? Uh-oh. I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Oh, you can turn on the lights. How cute. Okay, let's go over here. And, here's a trailer. We have a camper trailer. And it is really cute. Oh, a furnace. Oh, I love that. Cozy fire. Wait, I'm on fire! Oh, wow, there's so many lights. This is cool. This is a neat little camper. Inferno blowtorch. There we go. Whoa! Okay, I think we should call the fire department. Beans, what are you doing? Stop it! Uh-oh. Beans? Beans? Beans, what's going on? Beans? Uh-oh. Beans, what's up? What's up with you? Uh-oh. Beans? Beans? What are you doing? You know what? Come here, Beans. I'll help you. Let's just let's just forget about Beans, okay? There we go. Bye, Beans. There we go. Come on, Felix. Whee! Whoa! What the heck? Ah! Okay, so I guess that just kind of falls right off. Cable. Ah! I'm so bad at the cable. Ugh. Here, just attach the cable again. Come here. Ah. I don't even know what this vehicle is. Watch out, Felix! Stop! Sorry. Okay, let's just get Felix onto this car at all costs. There. Come on, Felix. Let's go. Whee! Maybe Felix wants to go for a swim. Let's go, Felix. Woo! Whee! How's that, Felix? How is this thing still driving? Whee! Oh, this is hilarious. Felix! It's like he's tubing. Like this is a boat. He's tubing. I don't know. Hey, how's the water, buddy? Is the water nice? How's the water? Good? Awesome. Alright, so anyways, I think I've already 100% destroyed this map. So anyways, I'm going to use a mod I installed, clear all fires, and you hold down C, and look at that. The fires are gone, and this house is... What the heck is that? Is that a big cherry, or is that a garbage bag? I have no idea what that is, guys. Oh, what is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, does this explode? I have a feeling this explodes. Hello? Do you explode? Okay, I guess that doesn't explode. So now it's time to move on. Welcome to the Boeing 737 map, and I have destroyed it, or actually, let's blame this on Beans, because Beans slammed himself against the seats. Uh-oh. Oh no! Ah! What are we doing? Uh-oh. Oh, what's going on? Ah! Oh, what the heck is going on? Captain, what the heck are you doing? What is the pilot doing? There is no pilot. Ah! Uh-oh. What's going on? Ah! What the heck? Beans! What did Beans do? Okay, we are back, and I hope Beans will be a lot more careful. Please, be more careful, Beans. Be more careful. I do not want you wrecking these passengers' flight, okay? Oh my gosh, Beans! What is wrong with you? Get up! Beans, what's up with you? You are absolutely a maniac today. Here, just use the physics gun. There. Whatever, Beans. Just stay there. Here, Felix, just go fetch or something. See you, Felix. All right. Let's head up to the pilot's seat. All right. Oh boy, what happened to Beans? I heard him. Fire extinguisher. We'll probably need that. Oh, I hear Felix at the door. All right. We need our oxygen masks, maybe. All right. Let's sit down here. I'm not actually doing anything, but... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I broke the controls! Ah! What is happening? Ah! 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 love this map. Guys, what is going on back there? Beans, are you okay? Beans! Uh-oh. Beans, what is up with you? I don't know what to do. Beans, just sit down and relax. You know what? I have an idea, Beans. You're useless right now, so I'm just gonna throw you in the jet engine. Okay, Beans. Well, I'm just gonna take you over here and I'm gonna toss you in the jet engine. Sorry. There we go. Whee! This is gonna be so funny. Okay, Beans, your usefulness to me has ended. Sorry. Oh, poor Beans. Beans. Uh-oh. Oh no. Beans. Whoa. I think I've broken the engine. Beans, where are you, buddy? I didn't mean that. Beans. Oh, ow. Beans? Beans? Where are you? Ah! Oh, there's Beans! Hi, Beans! Are you okay, buddy? He's alive! Woohoo! Whoa. Okay. Oh, there he goes. Beans! No! Well, there he goes. Well, I guess we could just destroy this thing. Well, I guess we could just... Lightsaber! Plane engine is destroyed. Ooh, the Armageddon railgun. Oh boy, this is laggy. Uh-oh. What have I done? Oh no! What have I done? Oh, oh no! Oh, oh! What is happening? Oh. Well, I guess this is gonna wrap it up for today's video of Teardown. And, Beans is missing, and, poor Felix is in the plane. Felix? You okay in there? Hello? Okay, where is Felix? Felix? I hear him. He's somewhere. There you are! Hi, Felix! Whee! Okay, goodbye, everyone. And, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye! Bye!